Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to turn on the AirPlay compatible audio function on the Webex meeting. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone and then tap on the settings icon in the upper left corner of the screen. Click on General. After that, in the General section, tap on the second option, AirPlay Compatible Audio. So now you have updated this function, it's turned on. If you want to turn it off, just simply click on the same button. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.